Is CoinMarketCap manipulating rankings to benefit Binance Token, BNB? CoinMarketCap has a history of manipulating its rankings to benefit Binance Token, and this has caused concern among investors. In September 2021, a group of HEX investors launched a class action against CMC for ranking manipulation. Despite HEX's strong performance in 2020, CoinMarketCap locked its ranking at number 201 and refused to adjust it based on its market cap. This improper ranking has artificially increased the value of cryptocurrencies ranked above HEX, including those issued by Binance. The reason for CMC's manipulation could be attributed to HEX's staking system, which is viewed as a threat to Binance's business model. The new crypto aggregator, Mobula.fi, offers a more transparent and trustworthy alternative to CoinMarketCap's rankings, with a verification process conducted by members of the DAO and data sourced directly on-chain. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more crypto news. Links can be found below.